In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection in both Celia and Microsoft keyboards. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access this section called System and Updates. Then tap on Language and Input. And let's start with Celia Keyboard. Select it by clicking on it here. And tap on Input section to locate autocorrection over here. Then use this switcher right next to it to switch it off or turn it on. If you are using Microsoft Keyboard, click on it here. Then select Typing and tap on the switcher next to autocorrect feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!